Lovelies, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm so glad to have you again in another cooking show. Please, I'd love you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon if this is your first time watching my video. It's totally free and thanks for your support. So, today's video is gonna be about scalloped potato roll. This scalloped potato roll is another variation of your typical scalloped potatoes. So stick around and let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna start by peeling 8 medium-sized Yukon gold potatoes. Place the potatoes in a bowl of water and rinse them to get rid of sand or dust. Grate your potatoes using the larger holes of your grater into another empty bowl. When you are done grating all the potatoes, use your 2 hands to squeeze out all the excess water and then place in an empty bowl. Now season the potato with half teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can then whisk in 2 eggs and add to it. The egg will serve as a binder. Also add 1 full cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and carefully mix to fully combine. When done mixing, transfer the whole mixture to your sheet pan lined with a parchment paper. Use a spoon to level it out evenly. You want to make sure the potato mixture is evenly spread out into a uniform sheet. And you just want to make sure there is no gap in between. This will ensure a smooth rolling. After that, bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes or until it is golden brown and the potato appears slightly crispy on the surface. While the potato is baking, you can go ahead and prepare the filling. So to do that, place a medium-sized pan on the stove top over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and allow to heat up. Go in with 1 cup of chopped onions and saute for 4 minutes or until fragrant. Add 500 grams of ground beef and break up the larger chunks with a spatula. You can then stir to mix with the onion. When the beef is no longer pink, go in with 2 minced garlic cloves. Stir and cook for just a minute. Add 1 cup of diced tomatoes. You can also use canned tomatoes if that's what you have. Also add 1 chopped red bell pepper and stir to combine. Season with 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon seasoning, half teaspoon each of salt, chili powder, and black pepper. You can also add in 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. Now stir to combine nicely. Add half cup of water, stir, cover and continue to cook for 10 minutes or until the beef is completely soft. When the water is almost dried up from the mixture, take it off from heat. Cover and set aside. Now place another pan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of your cooking oil. Once the oil has heated up, add 5 cups of chopped kale. You can also use spinach or any other vegetable of your choice. Now season the vegetable with a pinch of salt and pepper. Stir again to combine nicely. Remove the kale from the heat and transfer it to a mixing bowl. Add half cup of ricotta cheese and then mix to combine nicely. The potato should have been cooked by now. Take it out from the oven and evenly spread out the kale mixture over it in the pan. Also spread out the beef mixture evenly over the vegetable. Gently fold one end of the potato sheet, holding the parchment paper away from it. Start rolling it upward into a cylinder shape. You want to make sure your ingredients are not sticking out at both ends of the sheet. When you have completely rolled that up, gently lift and place it in the middle of the parchment paper. Then sprinkle 1 cup of mozzarella cheese on top. Go ahead and bake this again for another 15 minutes or until the cheese has melted and your roll is completely golden. You can cool it for just a few minutes before slicing. So just before you slice, you can sprinkle with some parsley just for decoration. Go ahead and slice these and serve while it is still warm. I love this. Just look at all the beautiful filling in there. Guys, I want to assure you that the outcome of this recipe looks and tastes so great. It's really appetizing. So do give this a try and have fun with the recipe. You can let me know if you love this easy scalloped potato roll recipe in the comment box below. Thank you so much for taking out your time to watch and comment on this video. And if you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded when new videos are created. Thanks and bye for now.